Oh yes.
Today we're making stinky as f Cantonese-style lobster, smothered over some French fries.
Oh yes.
It's gonna have some black garlic. It's gonna have some regular garlic.
Let's go.
About a 2.5 pounder. We're gonna do this as humanely as possible. You don't wanna look, you don't have to. Goodbye, little man. It's done. Put a little bit of cornstarch. Aromatics. Minced meat, soy sauce. Our stinky black bean. Chinois. Oyster sauce. Peel them, nice even planks.
Oh boy.
Halfway. Even getting knuckles out for you guys. Fold back in your lobster pieces. Cornstarch slurry, plate it up, and enjoy. Here we go, Food Beast team. Cantonese-style stinky garlic lobster fries. Whole lobster tail. And I got egg in here. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Have you guys ever tried spicy chili oil on vanilla ice cream? It's a trend booming in China right now. McDonald's is even selling their own take on it. I wanted to try that here, so I made my signature super garlicky chili oil that'll burn your nostrils out. Gotta start by making the chili oil, grinding up some chilies and some Sichuan peppercorn. It's gonna add this nice tingly flavor. Also getting thrown in is Chinese 5-spice, cinnamon, soy sauce, black bean sauce, black vinegar, ginger. Oh, and don't forget the garlic. Pour a whole bunch of whole cloves on there. This thing's gotta be punchy. While all of this is prepping, have some oil heating up on the side. Get it to about 375 and then pour the whole thing over the mixture in the bowl and listen for that sizzle. Let everything come down to room temperature. This will take about an hour and all of the flavors should be infused throughout the oil. Get it into some jars and let's see how this does on ice cream. Drizzle some on top, get a whole fat clove of garlic on there.
Okay, that's actually pretty good. It's like sweet, spicy, a little bit of salty, and the garlic, it's got like a nuttiness, a sweetness because it's been cooked by the oil. So it works really well.
Let's make lasagna aloo. It literally translates to garlic potatoes and it's so good. Season potatoes with some salt, chili and garlic powder and air fry it. Now for the base, which is so delicious, we'll take garlic, tahini, sesame seeds, peanuts and red chili and grind it with some water to a smooth paste. In a pan with some mustard oil, we're going to add our paste and cook it till it thickens and becomes so fragrant and delicious. Once that cooks, we'll add in our spices and some yogurt and water and add the potatoes and just mix it all together. This recipe was taught to me by my mother-in-law who made it specially for me because I love garlic. Did you know that garlic is actually really good for health according to Ayurveda? It's got amazing properties like it's antiviral, antibacterial and helps even reduce your blood pressure. So you know this recipe is going to be amazing. It's good for health and you also know if a mother passes down the recipe, it's always perfect. So we cook the gravy and the potatoes together. We add a little bit of honey to balance all the flavors together. Add a touch of cilantro. Serve it with yogurt and your choice of delicious roti and enjoy this.
What's up, Food Beast? Chef Mike here from Chicago, and this week I entered the stinky as garlic competition. And you know what? I didn't just want to blast your nose off. I actually wanted to make a composed dish, and that's what I did. I decided to go garlic 3 ways. I got roasted garlic, I got butter poached garlic, and I'm going to pair that with the roasted garlic flatbread cooked in garlic oil. So I cooked the garlic together with the lobster so there's nice garlicky flavor throughout. I took the roasted garlic, mixed it in my flatbread. Here it is right now. I'll roll it out. We're going to cook that in some nice hot garlic oil. Both sides really quick because it's so thin. Took some of that lobster poached butter garlic, put it in your blender with a little ricotta cheese, lemon, and dill. Spread it on that flatbread. And now, oh, look at how sweet this lobster looks, baby. Poached in that butter with that garlic flavor. Ooh, that garlic's so tender. Look at it, natural sweetness. Sliced it up, add it to our flatbread. A lot of garlic because it is stinky AF garlic, right? Take it as you will. Food Beast, I'm out.